Right, so good morning YouTube, this is Vlogger AJ signing in again. So right now I am heading towards the gas station because my Pulsar right now is running very low through the gas. So you guys can see the fairing glass which has been broken completely thanks to the children in my society. So I have to do such kinds of replacement every quarter. Just talking about the servicing, so today I am going to try a new engine oil that Bajaj has specially designed for Pulsars and the DTSI engines. So the best part of this engine oil is that it runs for a 10,000 kilometer range, which is a very good range. Because before this, whenever I used to service my bike, I used to change the engine oil every 2000 kilometers and I used to complete that within a month or 1.5 months. See, if you average it out for a year, it comes to almost the expense of my KTM RC390 maintenance.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Alright, so I have filled in the gas and now I am moving towards my mechanic who is gonna do the service job done for this bike. And also I would like to share one more thing. I will be planning to change my front tire of the Pulsar soon, and I will be doing review about the same. I'm using a Michelin Pilot 40 90 90 70, and I really love this tire because it has given me very good stability given any circumstances, and I'm really happy. Probably I'll stick to the same tires again. And it lasted really long. I mean, I changed this tire about 2.5 years ago, and since then probably I have done more than 50,000 kilometers, and now it's time to actually change it. I know that it's gone, so I'll be taking this.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go,
my Pulsar 180. I use it for my daily commute because I feel very relaxed when I ride it, and it pretty much gets the job done for my local traveling. So basically, in my last weekend ride on my KTM RC390, I will be sharing the video soon on YouTube. I got an average of somewhere around 34-35, but I was not riding that aggressively. I was riding between an average speed of 80 to 100, in fact 70 to 100. And the average what I get on my Pulsar 180 is somewhere between 40 to 43, 40 to 43. But I ride it aggressively, and obviously that is what I can get out of it. Also to add on, I have rejetted the carburetor of my Pulsar. So right now I am running on 125 mm main jet, because I am using a free flow exhaust and KTM air filter. I haven't removed the DB killer, because of which you cannot hear the sound very promisingly, and I am pretty much okay with the sound which I get with the DB killer, because I don't want to be very loud. It actually disturbs other people as well. And the sound of the Pulsar right now with the DB killer is very soothing. So I'm pretty much okay with it. So I've reached the garage.
Yeah, so here it is. This is the engine oil I was talking about, and it's written over here Bajaj DTS at 10,000. The drain interval of this engine oil is 10,000 kilometers, and below they have also written 5,000 kilometer top up. Let's see the pricing. It is 410 rupees, and I'll share the review soon. Wow, so my bike is ready, and see how beautiful it is looking, just as good as new. And you can see the YouTube decaling on it on the tank. I've changed the visor on the front and the main stand as well. Also done the servicing.
Alright, so the service job is done and I'm leaving from here. So right now I am heading towards the other stickering guy who has done the YouTube stickering on my RC390, and also few places were left on my Pulsar, like the visor which I changed just now, and on the rear number plate which was pending. So I am going to get these two things done. Okay, so coming back to the maintenance cost, I said earlier in this video that my Pulsar 180 and my KTM RC390 almost have the same maintenance cost, and that is true. So right now my bill here was 2,500, because I have installed a lot of other parts as well. But if I only talk about the servicing, so he charges me 700 bucks for a single service with oil change, and given the period of 1.5 months, I easily complete 2,000 to 2,500 kilometers on this bike. So assuming that I do a servicing every 1.5 months, so yearly it comes to 8 servicing. Now if I calculate this 8 servicing by 700 rupees per service, so it comes to 5,600 rupees, which is almost same as the cost of 2 servicing at KTM service center for my RC390. So yes, this is all about it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So I'm almost about to reach.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Alright, so this is the place where I have done my stickering for the RC390 as well. So I have reached here and I'm going to complete the stickering here up front, or maybe here, and on the back side of the number plate.
Alright, so the stickering part is done. I'll quickly show you the walk around of the bike. So as you can see, I have done it on the visor which was pending. And also on the back. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like my videos. Thank you.